Hi friends, today I want to talk about Ashley Yoga. And what is Ashley Yoga? Ashley Yoga is a set of procedures that is done to maintain the tunnel of love. This Ashley Yoga is given by Anyani Sabita. Anyani Sabita says, Anne nahi aham brahm. So what is the advantage of the tunnel of love? What is the advantage of doing Ashley Yoga? Who should be doing it and how does it help? So this is what we are going to discuss today in this video. So what is tunnel of love? Tunnel of love is one of the congealia tunnels. Congealia tunnels are mode of transfer of natural energy. We receive natural energy from the sun, the moon and various nakshatra. It is always good to flow with the flow of nature. So people who flow with the flow of nature will always be happy. And so we have all heard, I'm sure all of us have heard that the world is a matrix. Everyone is connected. If you have not heard of it, let me tell you this. Everyone, each and every individual is connected to the other person. So it is kind of a matrix and I'm sure all of us have heard of it. So whatever you are thinking, okay, you must have heard that I was just thinking of you and you suddenly called. Okay, so you say that this is some kind of intuition, this is some kind of sixth sense. So females have this sixth sense. This is a gift given to the females by nature. Now what is important, whether her sixth sense is awakened or not. So it is important for a female to awaken her sixth sense. If the sixth sense of a female is awakened, she will be happy. It will give her the strength to give guidance to the next generation. So what is important is to awaken the sixth sense, and that is possible through Ashley Yoga. So tunnel of love is one of the three congealia tunnels. Now one of them is tunnel of love. There are different congealia tunnels and three are the main congealia tunnels. So tunnel of love is one of the main congealia tunnels. So congealia tunnels and tunnel of love, all this has been given by Shukrism. So Shukrism teaches us thanksgiving to the Creator. If we are thankful, grateful to the Creator, okay, our life will be full of abundance and bliss. So females can maintain their sixth sense using Ashley Yoga. And once you are able to maintain your sixth sense, you can receive and handle natural empowerment. Every female is unique. She has her own qualities, okay, that is given to her by nature. So in order to receive and to be able to handle natural empowerment, sixth sense has to be developed and maintained. So using Ashley Yoga, that is, one is able to maintain the health of tunnel of love. So males can maintain their lively character, that is, the Shukra strength can be maintained through Ashley Yoga. We hear nowadays so many cases where, okay, about male impotency, then there are problems in the couples due to not a very happy, satisfied married life. So in order to have a very happy, contented couplehood, Ashley Yoga is very important to be adopted by both males and females. There are separate procedures for both the genders, and it helps to maintain the tunnel of love. So Ashley Yoga uses the Shukra molecule. Men and women, females' natural empowerment leads to luxurious family living, which is the need of every human being and it is the basic need of every person. So Ashley Yoga helps to maintain the tunnel of love. Ashley Yoga uses Shukra molecules, and men and women natural empowerment will help them to lead a luxurious family life. Luxurious family living is every human being's need. It is the basic need of every human being. I wanted to take this topic of Ashley Yoga particular in this week because we are talking about the tunnel of love and it is Valentine's week going on. So I will also discuss about Valentine's Day in the next video. Thank you.